All right, 3 guys in the V-Stroms. Let's do it. Nevada County. I'll go in the middle. You go first, Dave.
Today on Hag's World, I grabbed the Suzuki V-Strom crew, and we decided to trade 6 lanes known as California Interstate 80 for one of the most legendary stretches of the tarmac in the Sierra Nevada mountains, known as the historic Donner Pass Road. The moment you hit that blinker and get off that interstate, the energy changes. You're riding directly into history. This pass carries the weight of the famous 1846 Donner Party, who got trapped by brutal winter blizzards just miles from their goal. Riding here now, under the clear skies, it's really hard to reconcile that rugged, unforgiving pass with the pure freedom of riding these roads today. The asphalt climbs quickly, sweeping through massive granite cutouts and pine-scented mountain air. Be cautious, you're gonna get sensory overload when you ride this road. And before you know it, you hit the crown jewel of the climb, the historic Donner Summit Bridge. Crossing over this iconic concrete arch, the canyon opens up, leading straight into a viewpoint that basically stops you in your tracks. Gotta look quickly, as Dave missed the turnoff, but Al and I slammed down a few gears and hooked a quick left. As we decided this would be a great spot to take a break and let our bikes cool down, it's the ultimate stop to pull over.
Guess it was a little less than 3 miles.
Once you get over to the overlook, Donner Lake spreads out like a sheet of glass. Take in the elevation and appreciate why we take the long way around.
What lake is that?
That's Donner Lake.
That's fucking beautiful.
Yes, Dave, it is fucking beautiful.
What do you think?
Very cool.
Not the worst place to stop?
Yes, very cool.
From here, we soaked in the sights, might have cracked a cold one, and knew that we had old Highway 40 that will continue carving down through the granite boulders, tracing us to the lake shore and leading all the way to the mountain town of Truckee. This was just the first day of our 900-mile ride through the Sierra Nevada mountains. Be sure to hit subscribe to see the rest of our trip, which includes Lake Tahoe, Mammoth Mountain, and the unforgettable Tuolumne Meadows in Yosemite National Park. Ride safe, my friends. Cheers. Hag's World.